Hello everyone. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday today. And first of all, I would like to thank you all those who have watched my videos. I'm having rice and potatoes with spicy chicken soup for lunch today. Our family has been sick with a cold and cough for the last 2 days. I thought about it and recalled my father's recipe. He used to make this hot chicken soup for us when we would get sick and cough as kids. He would feed us more soup, one chicken leg, and less rice, and we used to obtain quick relief. It was a success. Thank you for watching. In just 3 days, the recipe will be released. For more recipes, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.